Hello, my dear students. A very good morning to all of you. Today, I welcome the students of Standard 4 to the online session of computers. In the previous class, we were discussing about the software and the types of software like system software and application software. So now we will move further to the concept of storing the data in a computer. Like all the measurable quantities that have some units, data or information can also be measured. It means the data or the information which is stored in the computer can also be measured by some units. About which units that we will see now. For example, the liquid items like milk, buttermilk, oil can be measured in liters, and the distance can be measured in meters. For example, the distance from Mahua to Bhavnagar is 10,000 meters. In the same way, the distance from one place to another can be measured in meters. Similarly, the data in computers can be measured in bit and bytes. Okay, so like liquids is measured in liters, distance is measured in meters. In the same way, the data in the computers is measured using bits and bytes. So now let us understand the concept of this bits and bytes. A computer stores the data in the form of bit and bytes. Bits are the binary digits. For example, 0 and 1. So what is a bit? A bit is the smallest unit of the information or the small part of the information which a computer can store and process. While a byte is a combination of a bits, it means 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. So bit is the smallest unit of information while the byte is a combination of such bits. It means a byte is a combination of the smallest unit of an information, that is bit. It is the basic storage unit in a computer memory. 1 byte means 1 character. Okay, so 1 byte means 1 character. It can be an alphabet, it can be a number or any symbol. 1 byte consists of 8 bits. Okay, so now let us understand. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte. 1024 KB is equal to 1 megabyte. 1024 MB is equal to 1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabyte is equal to 1 terabyte. Okay, so 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. Then 1024 byte is equal to 1 kilobyte. Then KB is equal to 1 MB. 1024 MB is equal to 1 GB. You are, I think in mobile phones, unlimited nets you are using. That 1 GB net, 2 GB net, 3 GB net. So that is gigabytes. 1024 MB is equal to 1 gigabyte and 1024 GB is equal to 1 terabyte, that is TB. Okay, so here we are finishing our chapter. Now we will move forward to the keywords. The very first keyword is bit. So what is a bit? It is the smallest unit of information. Then byte, a unit of measurement of a computer memory. Then compute, it means to calculate. CPU, central processing unit. CRT, cathode ray tube. LCD, liquid crystal display. LED, light emitting diode. And VDU is equal to visual display unit. Okay, so these all are the keywords. Exercise A, that is tick the correct option. Exercise B, that is answer the following questions. Exercise C, give one word answer for each of the following collection. Exercise D, put these devices in the correct column. Exercise E, match the following. And exercise F, identify the pictures and write the names of the following devices. This all answers PDF I am sharing with you. So you have to write the keywords exercise A, B, C, D, E and F in your fair book. Okay, and exercise A, C, D, E and F in your textbook also. Okay, so the keywords you have to write in the fair book. Exercise A you have to write in the textbook. Exercise B you have to write in your fair book. Exercise C, D, E and F you have to write in your textbook. So everything you have to write in your textbook except the keywords and the question answers. The keywords and the question answers you have to write in your computer notebook. Okay students, bye bye. Have a great day ahead.